Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie. 大家好，我係 Marie. Welcome to the Cantonese whiteboard lessons. In this lesson, you will learn about your occupation in Cantonese. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have 學生 student 學生學生老師 teacher 老師老師記者 reporter 記者記者警察 police officer 警察警察科學家 scientist 科學家科學家廚師 chef 廚師廚師工程師 engineer 工程師工程師農民 farmer 農民農民演員 actor 演員演員Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the vocabulary. Find the vocabulary and see how it's used in the dialogue. 你係唔係學生？你係唔係學生？ Are you a student? 我唔係學生，我係記者。我唔係學生，我係記者。I'm not a student, I'm a reporter. Now let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all of our dialogues will follow. 我係 plus occupation. 我係 plus occupation. I am plus occupation. Hai is the verb to be in Cantonese. It is used to help express identity or characteristics. 唔係 means not be or is not. It is used to negate the verb to be. Do you remember how to say student? 學生學生 and how to say teacher? 老師老師 and how to say reporter? 記者記者 and how to say police officer? 警察警察 and how to say scientist? 科學家科學家 and how to say chef? 廚師廚師 and how to say engineer.工程師 and how to say farmer. 農民 and how to say actor. 演員 Do you remember how to say I'm? 我係 and how to say I'm a reporter. 我係記者 In this lesson, you learned about your occupation in Cantonese. Thanks for watching. I'm Marie, and I will see you on CantoneseClass101.com. 再見
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.